In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello's views in calendar, timeline, map, dashboard, table, and board. Let's dive right in and make sense of everything you need to know to maximize these features and streamline your workflow on Trello. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Trello account. You can easily do this by clicking on the Login button located at the top right corner of the Trello homepage. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be given the option to log in using various platforms. The easiest way for most people is to click on Google and then select your Google account. These options ensure a seamless and quick login process without having to memorize additional passwords. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your board. Simply go to the Trello homepage where you will see a list of your boards under your account. For this tutorial, we're using a specific board, but feel free to select the board you wish to work on. By clicking on the link or the board's name, you'll be taken directly to your chosen board's dashboard. Once you're on your board, the next step is to locate the drop-down menu situated on the ribbon right next to the Board tab. It might appear small or easy to miss, but clicking on this drop-down is crucial as it unlocks a plethora of viewing options for your board. The interface here is user-friendly, promising a wide range of versatile ways to interact with your data. Upon clicking the drop-down, you'll notice a selection of views you can switch between. These include the default board view, which is great for an overview and managing tasks in a project-centered way. However, if you wish to change your perspective or need to visualize your work differently, you have several other options. For instance, the calendar view is perfect for tracking deadlines and planning upcoming tasks based on their schedule. If you're working on projects with various phases, the timeline view is incredibly useful. It helps you visualize tasks over a period, allowing for effective resource management and project planning. Should your project require geographical visualization, the map view offers a fantastic way to plot task locations, a feature invaluable for teams managing location-based assignments. The dashboard view is another powerful tool in your arsenal. It offers valuable insights and statistics, helping you track the progress and efficiency of your projects. Meanwhile, the table view is excellent for those who appreciate a tabular format, making information more digestible in a spreadsheet-like manner. Each view offers its unique advantages, so feel free to explore and familiarize yourself with them all. By regularly utilizing these views, you'll enhance both your productivity and project management skills. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find these tips useful in navigating Trello's diverse viewing options.